Now I will show you how you can, what is this indexes. So here, see, you have taken here some 10 values. Okay, so how you would have declared? You would have declared like this: int a of is equal to new int of 10. I have taken 10 memory location. This is what I have declared. So when I declare like this, what happened? It allocates 10 memory location over here. Okay, it allocates 10 memory location. But how to access the values inside this? Okay, inside this we have values. So how to access these values? Okay, you can access these values only with the help of this indexes. Index is nothing but the position of the value inside the array. 0 represent the first position in an array. 1 represent the second. 2 represent the third value. 3 represent the fourth value. Likewise it goes. Why ma'am we are indicating this with 0 first? Always the array indexes starts with 0. Always the array indices starts with 0. So whenever you declare an array, if you declare an array of size n, okay, if you declare the size of array of size n, okay, if you declare any array of size n, okay, then its index start from, then its index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Always it starts from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, always whenever you are going to do any array, if your array size is size of n, then your index will be from 0 to n minus 1. So since here you are declared as 10, 10 memory location will be there, but your index starts from 0 to 9. This is what we have explained over here. A of 0 is equal to 10. Now the A of 0 is like this. You have stored 10. A of 1 is 20. So it will be storing 20 over here. A of 2 is 70. 70 will be stored. A of 3 is 40. So 40 will be stored. And A of 4 is 50. So 50 will be stored. Now if you want to print, you can give like this. And the length is the function, already built-in function, which help you to get the length of the array, get the size of the array. Okay, if you don't know what's the size of the array, then you can use it as length, a dot length. Now that's a dot length refers 5. The value is 5 because you can hold how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 values. You can hold 5 values. That is what given here as a dot length.